So for exercise 7.3 we should know what is area of triangle. So area of triangle, we all know it is half base into height. But this formula we are not going to use in this exercise because coordinates are involved in it. So we need to derive one formula based on the coordinates. So let us suppose a triangle is there. Let this be y-axis, this be x-axis, this is origin. So a triangle is there, let this be the triangle A, B, C. Coordinate of A, x1, y1. Coordinate of B, x2, y2. Coordinate of C, x3, y3. So these are the coordinates. So let this point on x-axis be Q. This point on x-axis be P, and this point on x-axis be R. So area of this triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC will be area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium minus area of this trapezium. Area of this BQRA, BQPA, area of trapezium BQPA plus area of trapezium APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. Area of this triangle will be this area plus this area minus this area. So area of trapezium, we all know it is, area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides multiplied by distance between them. So area of trapezium BQPA will be half sum of parallel sides means BQ plus AP multiplied by distance between them is QP plus half sum of parallel sides means AP plus RC multiplied by distance between them is PR plus minus half area of BQRC will be BQ sum of parallel sides BQ plus CR multiplied by distance between them is QR. So BQ plus CR multiplied by distance between them is QR. So half, taking half common throughout, half we can take out common. So BQ is what? BQ is Y2 plus AP length will be equal to Y1 because this is Y axis, so Y1, and QP is this. QP we can write down OP minus OQ. So OP will be what? X1 and OQ will be X2. So X1 minus X2 plus AP is again Y1 plus RC will be Y3. PR is this OR minus OP. So OR is X3 and OP is X1. So X3 minus X1 minus BQ is X2. BQ is Y2 and CR is Y3 multiplied by distance between them QR will be equal to OR minus OQ. So OR is X3 minus OQ is X2. So let's now simplify. So on simplification, X1 multiplied by Y2 is X1 Y2. X1 multiplied by Y1 is X1 Y1. Now X2 multiplied by Y1, so minus X2, here we have half outside, so minus X2 Y1 minus X2 Y2, again plus X3 Y1 plus X3 Y3 minus X1 Y1 minus X1 Y3 minus this we have x3 y2 minus x3 y3 plus x2 y2 plus x2 y3. So bracket close. So x1 y1 plus x1 y1, and here we have minus x1 y1 get cancelled, plus minus x2 y2 plus x2 y2 get cancelled, x3 y3 from x3 y3 get cancelled. So what do we have now remaining? So half is equal to half bracket x1 y2 minus x1 y3 plus what do we have now? x2 y3 minus x3 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 minus x3 y2. So these all terms we have now. So taking out x1 common, so it is y2 minus y3. Taking out x2 common, so this is y3 minus y1. Taking out x3 common, so this is y1 minus y2. So we can say area of triangle ABC. Now area cannot be negative. So it cannot be negative. So I am replacing these brackets with modular sign. Modular sign means the value will never be negative inside this modulus. So modulus of x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So area of triangle ABC will be half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So we have replaced these brackets with this modular sign. Why we have replaced these brackets with modular sign? Because area cannot be negative. So whatever the answer is from here, we have to take the positive value only for the area. Now if 3 points are collinear, so if A, B and C are collinear points. What are collinear points? The points which lies on a straight line. So if these are collinear points, then area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0, because for collinear points there will be no triangle, because these all points will lie on a straight line. So that means area of triangle ABC will be 0. So we can say half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 will be equal to 0. So this whole value will be 0. From here we can find out what we have to determine. Suppose there is some constant, there are some variables, so which we can easily determine. So in order to check whether 3 points are collinear or not, just put the area value equal to 0. So if it is 0, that means the points are collinear, otherwise they are not.